In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort revenue from smallest to largest in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook that contains the revenue data you want to organize. Make sure you're in the correct file before making any changes, especially if you work with multiple spreadsheets. This helps avoid sorting the wrong data by mistake. Once your workbook is open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through B6. You should have a simple table that includes headers at the top and revenue values underneath. Keeping your data in a clean table format makes sorting much easier and helps Excel understand exactly what you want to organize. Next, select the entire data range, including the headers. This is an important step because it ensures Excel keeps each row together when sorting. In other words, the revenue values will move along with the correct corresponding data instead of becoming mismatched. If your table has labels like product names, dates, or categories, including the headers helps Excel recognize that the first row is not part of the actual values to be sorted. After selecting the table, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Sort and Filter group, click Sort. This opens the Sort dialog box where you can control exactly how the data should be arranged. Inside the Sort dialog box, look for the column dropdown and select Revenue. This tells Excel which column you want to sort. Then under Sort On, choose Cell Values. This means Excel will sort based on the actual numbers in the cells. Under Order, select smallest to largest. This will arrange your revenue figures in ascending order, starting with the lowest value and ending with the highest. Once those settings are in place, click OK. Excel will instantly reorganize the table based on the revenue column. If everything was selected correctly, all related data in each row will stay aligned while the revenue values are sorted from low to high. Now take a moment to view the results. Your revenue values should now appear in ascending order. This makes it easier to spot low-performing entries, compare values, and review the data more clearly. And that's it. You've successfully sorted revenue from smallest to largest in Excel. If you're working with financial data regularly, this is a simple but very useful skill that can help you analyze information faster and keep your spreadsheets organized.